Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to hide video on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, if you use your phone for work or have confidential videos, hiding them helps maintain confidentiality and prevents unauthorized access to sensitive information. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first, you can select the video you want to hide. Well, and then click the three dots at the top. After that, select Move to Secure Folder. Well, so here click Continue, and then you have to wait until creating process is finished. And after finishing the process, next you can set the lock type for your secure folder. And after confirming the lock type, and your video is already moved to the secure folder. And to see it, you can open app drawer of your device and look for a secure folder, tap on it, and select gallery option. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to hide video on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.